We got the good spot because right over there is where they're going to be going off for here. And we can see down there all the way across that mountain line. They're going off all the way to down there, right there. All the way across that mountain line to down behind those trees. Can see some going off, but
do you see all those group of people down there?
Can see them all the way over there too.
Yeah. Those group of people, that line, that's for the bathroom.
Right there's some going off behind the trees. Excuse me. Oh, there's some more going off. When I zoom out, you can see them all the way through the mountain line going off. You can kind of hear the popping from the ones that are down that way. That's cool. You can see them all the way over there. And all the way down there. Like that. See if my camera will focus on those ones. Hold on, everybody. There goes a car going by. Oh, there they go. Over there on the mountain. I'm watching a set over here before ours even start. Sorry for the light from the car. Oh, just wanted to show you. It's pretty cool that can see them from that far. It's after 9 p.m. here on the East Coast. I don't know why it just went super blurry too on that. But ours are going to be over here very shortly. So I gotta clean the camera lens for y'all. You can hear them all going off as well. We'll be back when ours start. Here they go. First one's going off. You're okay, Pop. Here they go. Good boy, puppy. That cool. He's watching them. Good boy, Pops.
Oh, they're making X's.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Morty's doing good. He's watching. Just so everybody knows he's okay. He's watching. He enjoys watching fireworks too. Good boy. Third year. No! Oh, here's another set.
See, they're going up. That whole field down there is packed.
Yeah. That's why we're up here, because down there it's so packed.
That would have been too loud for him.
Yeah.
Come on, focus, focus, focus. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna light some more. There they go.
My camera keeps going out of focus. Just give you the heads up.
Mine's not. Good boy, Kitty. There, Kitty. They're still lighting them off on the mountainside over there too.
Mm-hmm.
You can see some going up.
When they get really big, it goes out of focus.
If you tap on the screen where they are, it'll focus in on that area. Good boy, puppy. Good boys, it's okay.
Is he shaking?
No, he's been watching him the whole time. He's watching him walking by. Good boy, Pups. Now he's just laying down. I put some of the Ben's 100 deep bug spray on. The bugs aren't bothering me no more.
That's why I don't want to get too close to them. Sorry, I didn't zoomed in too far on that one. That's it?
Nope. All the little ones.
Yeah, I'd be too scared for that one.
Yay. Hey, okay, puppies. I'm blurry on that one again.
Yeah, well, I could get blurry.
There we go.
How Mom's here we're doing right now. They're so silly.
They're all right underneath it.
Yep.
Yay! They still got a lot more to go. It's supposed to be half hour of it. And it's only 16 and a half minutes. Good boy, Pop-Pops.
Hear them.
Good boy. He's just watching them.
Busy?
Yeah, see?
Good boy. Good boy.
He likes watching fireworks. Come on, Pop.
Look at the blue coming out, baby.
Yeah.
A lot of red, white, and blues.
Yeah. Woo! That's why we need an air horn.
Nah.
We all hear. I've been looking to get air train horn for the Jeep. Every time we beat the horn for the Jeep, it'll be a train horn instead. That'd be cool having train horns for the Jeep instead. Good boy, puppies.
You guys just got me. I'm just watching
The problem is that our cameras keep wanting to focus on something right in front of us, but when select where to focus manually by touching the screen, then it actually focuses in on that area. Been 21 minutes. Well, about 20 minutes. Because I had 2 minutes beforehand.
Excuse me. Purple moon, purple and pink.
Been 20 minutes now. Should be another 10 minutes. About.
I don't know if we're waiting for everyone to leave to leave. But that
Well, that's what I was saying. If we don't take the chairs, they're gonna have to bring Mom's big chair to the bike. And the one like you're in. And if anything, with them being on the bike and people drinking, I would rather.
I want to make sure they get home safe.
Yeah. If I had enough service to it, I'd just live stream it, but and then I could put it for live stream.
Yeah, like you did last year. Or year before.
Yeah. Well, that was on TikTok. I could do it on YouTube with live streaming it and then put it back up, but it would be all laggy and everything because the service is not great service out here. Good job, puppy.
Looks like mom now. Must be too loud for mom. Most people will put their car lights in long with
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, people are leaving already because they know it's going to be ending soon.
We got it every morning.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Truck with trailer. You okay? Please. matter? What's the matter? What's the matter, Pop? You tired? Huh?
What happened? That's it?
Maybe the lights more, probably.
Hmm?
Yay! That might be it. That's 27 minutes. And somebody with their headlights.
Yeah, that's all done.
I'll be editing this and posting it by tomorrow.
Yeah, I see people walking. And that's it.
You have your charger?
And that's if I can see. No, they're lighting up more.
Yep. There's some more. The finale. There you go. Oh no. Grand finale, here it is. Tough life up there. Super big grand finale for 250 years.
I like these ones.
There's so many of them that it's trying to.
Mine all 25. Oh, wait, we're both.
250. Woo! There we go. Yay! Oh, there's still more. Yeah! Don't know if there's gonna be a couple more that didn't go off, so.
No. I did something with the flashlight.
That was pretty well a half hour. Yeah, everybody's walking out.
Well, let them know that we're waiting on them.
There's so many people down there. We'll make sure that they're all done.
I like this girl at work. I like this girl. What is it? In grade one? Well, this time, bud.
Did you? That's when you run around the field.
There we go.
Butt naked.
All done. Happy 250th.